global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Some hours. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings Today. Hours ago, Nnamdi Kanu, still in detention, was visited by his brother and his lawyers. Unfortunately, they were not given access to see him. Unfortunately, as well, they did it on Thursday. That was the same result they got. And of course, the lawyers have also decided to take it a step higher to ensure that the whole world knows what is going on ground. The brother eventually made it public that he's not so sure if Nnamdi Kanu is still very much okay or is in sound health, judging the fact that one, there may be moves to move this location of the trial from Abuja High Court. Date and time we are not aware yet, but right now the indigenous people of Biafra and lovers of freedom have decided to send their warning. Oh Lord, we pray for peace in this country. Before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update a channel on YouTube. The indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, on Tuesday warned that nothing must happen to its leader, Nnamdi Kanu, in the custody of the Department of State Services, DSS. Ipob issued a warning while noting that it was unsure if Kanu was still alive. The group was reacting to the refusal of the DSS to allow Kanu's family and lawyers access to him. Powerful, the spokesman of Ipob, said the DSS and the Nigerian government would be held responsible if anything happened to Kanu in detention. A statement by Powerful reads, and I quote, "The attention of the global movement and family of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, ably led by our great and prophet of our time, has drawn to the refusal by the DSS in Abuja to allow family members and lawyer to our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, during the routine visitation in DSS custody on Monday. We also recall that the DSS did not also allow the family members and lawyer access to our leader last week, Thursday, when they went to see him. We are therefore putting the world on notice that if anything untoward happens to our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, Nigerian government and its security agencies should be held responsible for the bitter consequences of such an unavoidable scenario. By then, they will understand that our peaceful disposition is never a sign of weakness." Our legal team visited DSS Abuja on Thursday last week, but the DSS refused to allow them to see our leader. Today, yesterday again, Monday the 21st of February 2022, the Nigerian DSS also denied them access to our leader, that's Nnamdi Kanu. For now, we are not sure of his state of health or if he's even still alive at all. DSS should open up and tell the world, why are they shielding our leader from the family and his lawyers? Have they eliminated Nnamdi Kanu? Powerful asks. Ipob stressed that it should not be blamed for anything. Powerful accused the DSS and the Nigerian government of pushing the group to the wall. We are informing the international community and all diplomatic missions in Abuja to be aware of the provocative actions of DSS. Nobody should blame Ipob, that's indigenous people of Biafra, for anything, because the Nigerian government and its security agencies have pushed us to the wall enough. DSS must know that if anything happens to our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, the consequences will be catastrophic. Nigerian government and the DSS director should also know that Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of conscience and should not be tampered anyhow, and there is no option for them than to release him unconditionally, or they bear the consequences of keeping him in their custody for so long in Abuja. The whole world should take note of these atrocities, both the Amnesty International and all reputable human rights organizations across the world, because his detention is going bring that will bring disastrous and dangerous action in Nigeria in the near future. He added, my God, oh my God. Right now, a lot of people are talking. We're going to look through, no uncensored. Let's see what people are saying on social media. It's a strong one, I must say. This one here say, what can you people do? We go clear you people. This is just child's play. Whoops. This one here say, talk straight. Let me understand you better. Okay. This one here say, don't ask such a question. Are you asking who is doing this? This one here is saying DSS should take note and be aware. Nigerians should take note that this is a fight between the indigenous. This is the fight between indigenous Nigerians and Fulani Caliphate. There's nothing like Nnamdi Kanu versus federal government. By the way, who is DSS DG? Yusuf Bichi, Abubakar Malami, President. Okay, President Muhammad Buhari, all are Fulani. So tell me what is going on. All right, I don't want to go through some of the comments. Comments are really you could see emotions flying in the comment area. A lot of people are talking. Please, for the sake of peace of the country, if there's a law, if there's a bit an order that been given by the law, the lawyer, sorry, the good judge, they should just honor it and let sleeping dog lie. They've been detained. He has been detained, right? Yes, and they're going through law cases as in trial cases. Yes, proofs and filings proceedings have been brought. Yes, allow the law to take its full course. And if you feel there's a reason why they should not be allowed to visit, at that point in time, well, they had on the 16th of February, when they had the last court case, they would have brought the matter up to the presiding judge in your call and tell her that, look, the reasons why we wouldn't want them to be visiting twice anymore, which is on Thursdays and on Monday, or Thursdays and Mondays are no longer convenient for the DSS office. They should change the date and time. Maybe, just maybe, they would have changed it. Just the same way they said that they are not comfortable with Mazen Namekano wearing an insignia of either lion or any insignia at all, of which the presiding judge took note. Mazen Namekano also took note. But left for Mazen Namekano, he preferred Ishago as one of his traditional clothing, of which they rejected and they gave their reasons. It was also approved. It's okay, fine. We give you plain clothes. There was a win with everybody. There was an understanding. So if they feel that Thursdays and Tuesdays are not convenient for them as an organization, they can easily have approached the presiding judge and change the date and time, for peace sake. For crying out loud, this is the same man that at some point have brought the issue of sit-at-home order in Southeast. Let's not begin to wake up sleeping dogs. We don't need it right now. There's too much in the hands of Nigeria. Let's meet in our comment section, please. No hate.